In this video, we are going to cover the following topics of geography mapping: iron ore, manganese, bauxite, and limestone. Let us first discuss about iron ore. India is endowed with fairly abundant resources of iron ore, and the quality of Indian iron ore is very high with iron content of above 60%. Most of iron ore found in the country is of three types: hematite with 68% of iron, magnetite with 60% of iron, and limonite with 35 to 50% of iron. Limonite is the poorest grade of iron ore. Hematite ores contain 68% iron and are mostly found in the peninsular region. The iron ore mines occur in close proximity to the coal fields in the northeastern plateau region of the country. About 95% of total reserves of iron ore is located in the states of Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Goa, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. Iron ore mines are mostly found in Odisha, Keonjhar, Mayurbhanj, and Sundargarh, Jharkhand, in Naumundi, Goa of Singhbhum district, Chhattisgarh, in Bailadila in Bastar district, Dhali, and Ranjhad in Durg district. Goa, in Bincholim, Sanolim, Netarlim, and Borgandar. Karnataka, in Hospet, Sandur, Kudrmukh, Kemangudi mines, Chitradurga, Shimog, and Tumkur. Andhra Pradesh, in Antapur, Kurnool, Kudaf, and Nellore districts. Tamil Nadu, in Salem, Coimbatore, Madurai, Tirunelveli, and Ramanathapuram. Maharashtra, in Lohar, Pipalgaon, Ratnagiri, Chandrapur, Bhandar, Satara, and Raigad. Remember that Bailadila and Rajhad mines in Chhattisgarh and Kiruburu mines in Odisha are being worked out specially for export purpose. Almost the entire production of iron from Goa is exported from Marmagao port to Japan. Let us now discuss about manganese. Manganese is an important mineral used in the making of iron and steel as it increases the strength of steel. It is also used as raw material for manufacturing paints, glass, bleaching powder, insecticides, pesticides, paints, dry batteries, photography, etc. Japan is a major importer of India's manganese. India has the second largest reserves of manganese in the world after Zimbabwe and is the fifth largest producer after Brazil, Gabon, South Africa, and Australia. The state of Odisha is the single most important state in the production of manganese, accounting for over 38% of the total production. The Gondite deposits in Sundargarh and Khondolite in and Kodurite deposits in Kalahandi and Koratput are rich in manganese. Manganese is also mined in Bolangir and Sambalpur districts of Odisha. Maharashtra is the second largest producer of manganese, accounting for about 23% of the total production. In Maharashtra, manganese is found in Bhandarpur, Nagpur, and Ratnagiri district. About 20% of the total manganese production comes from the state of Madhya Pradesh. Balaghat and Chhindwara are the main districts in which it is mined. The state of Karnataka produces about 13% of the total production of manganese of the country. Its main deposits are in the districts of North Kannada, Shimog, Bellary, Chitradurga, and Tumkur. About 4.5% of the total manganese production of India is done in Andhra Pradesh. Srikakulam and Vishakhapatnam are the leading producer districts of manganese in Andhra Pradesh. It is also mined in Kudapha, Guntur, and Vijayanagaram. In addition to these, manganese is also mined in small quantities in Goa, Gujarat, Rajasthan, and Jharkhand. Nearly 80% of the manganese production is consumed within the country, while the remaining is exported to USA, UK, Germany, France, Italy, Netherlands, Belgium, Czech Republic, Slovakia, and East European countries including Ukraine. Coming to the next topic, that is bauxite. Bauxite is the raw material for aluminium. Odisha stands first in the production of bauxite, producing more than 50% of the total bauxite. The Kalahandi Koraput belt, which extends into Andhra Pradesh, is the main bauxite deposit region. In addition to this, bauxite is also obtained from the districts of Bolangir, Sambalpur, and Sundargarh. The new aluminium plant located at Damanjoli and Doragud provide a good market for bauxite in this region. About 60% of the total bauxite production is from the state of Gujarat. In Gujarat, the main bauxite deposits are found between the Gulf of Kutch and the Gulf of Khambad, the Arabian Sea, through the districts of Bhavnagar, Junagadh, and Amreli. It is mined in Kheda and Sabarkant. In Jharkhand, bauxite is obtained from Dumka, Gumla, Lohardag, Palamu, and Ranchi districts. About 10% of the total bauxite production comes from Maharashtra. Kolhapur, Pune, Ratnagiri, Satara, and Thane are its main producing centers. In Chhattisgarh, bauxite is obtained from the Amarkantak Plateau, Bilaspur, Raigad, and Surguja. The Madurai, Nilgiri, and Salem districts are known for the production of bauxite, accounting for about 2.75% of the total production. In Madhya Pradesh, bauxite is mined in the districts of Balaghat, Jabalpur, Katni, Mandla, and Shahdol. Last but not the least is limestone. Limestone, which is also known as CaCO3, is associated with rocks composed of either calcium carbonate, carbonate of calcium, and magnesium, or mixtures of the two. If magnesium is present up to 20%, it is called magnesium limestone, and if it is above 20%, it is known as dolomite limestone. Limestone deposits are of sedimentary origin and occur in almost all geological formations of the country except Gondwanas. Limestone is used Various industries, namely cement industry 76%, iron and steel industry 16%, chemicals 4%, sugar, paper, fertilizer and ferromanganese industries 4%. More than two-thirds of India's production of limestone comes from the five states, that is Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat and Chhattisgarh, each of which contribute more than 9% of the country's output of the mineral. Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra and Himachal Pradesh, each producing over 5% of the country's limestone, account for another 28% of the country's production of limestone. Chhattisgarh, Bilaspur, Raigad and Raipur districts are the main producers of limestone. Madhya Pradesh, limestone is mined in Jabalpur, Satna, Betul and Rewa districts. Rajasthan has about 10% of the total limestone reserves of India. It is mined in Jhunjhunu, Banswara, Jodhpur, Sirohi, Bundi, Bikaner and Ajmer districts.